Welcome back. So coming to the previous task, the first one we have registered Kubernetes as well as Kubernetes configuration resource providers using the Cloud Shell, which is the task one. We have completed it in the previous task. And coming to the second task, we have created this particular resource group inside which we have created the Kubernetes service cluster. And in this task, we'll be deploying pods into Azure Kubernetes Service that we have created in the previous lab. So which is task 3, so which we'll be performing in this lab. So let's minimize this architecture diagram and let's talk about what are pods. So basically a pod is the smallest execution unit in Kubernetes. So a pod encapsulates one or more applications. And so for instance, if pod fails, Kubernetes can automatically create a new replica of that particular pod and it can continue the operations. So that is what it is. And coming to the lab, let's go ahead and go to the resource group that we have created in the previous lab. So this is the resource group that has been created. So click that. And you can see this is the Kubernetes service cluster that we have created. So click that. And here you make sure that there is the node pool is equal to 1. So which is true. And you can also check from, let's see, for the node pools. We have only one node pool here which is running. So let's go back and now we'll be opening our Cloud Shell. So let's open it. So this is the previous task. So let us add the commands. So in this case we are not using the PowerShell, we'll be moving to the bash. So click that and click bash here. So just confirm. So right now we are in the bash and let's add this command. So basically these commands retrieve the credentials to access the AKS cluster. So AK is nothing but Azure Kubernetes Service. So let me add that. Let's wait to run. Okay, and now let's add the other command. So basically this is used to verify the connectivity to the AKS cluster. Yes, it's done and the status is ready. So since the status is ready and we can go to the next command, which is deploying of Nginx image from the Docker Hub. So let's add that command. So it has been created and coming to the node, we have to make sure that Nginx deployment is the smaller, like small letters instead of using the capital. And the next one is to verify the Kubernetes pod has been created. So for that, let's add the command. Yes, the status is running and let's wait for that. And meanwhile, let's go ahead and identify the state of the deployment. So let me add that command too. It's done. And the next command would be to make the pod available from the internet. So let me copy that command and let us paste. Yes, it's done. And now let us identify whether the public IP address has been provisioned. For that, we have to use this particular command. So coming to Nginx deployment, we have an external IP here. Let's go ahead and copy this and let's try to paste. So we can see it says welcome to Nginx and we were successfully able to complete this particular task 3. And in the next task, we'll be scaling the containerized workloads in the Azure Kubernetes Service cluster. So I hope you guys have understood today's concept. If you have liked the video, please click the like button below, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and please share the video. Thank you.